East meets West, Chinese noodles versus spaghetti.
Hello, pasta lovers worldwide. Today, we're taking a journey across continents to explore the culinary differences between two beloved staples of global cuisine, Chinese noodles and Italian spaghetti.
What are the ingredients?
Chinese noodles are quite versatile in their ingredients, but generally, they consist of wheat flour and water. Sometimes, you'll find noodles made with rice or mung bean starch, especially in southern China and other Asian countries. Egg is another ingredient often added to some types of Chinese noodles. Italian spaghetti, on the other hand, traditionally uses a specific type of wheat called durum wheat semolina. This gives the spaghetti a firm texture and its characteristic yellowish hue. In traditional recipes, only water and salt are added to the semolina. However, other varieties, like egg spaghetti, do exist.
How are they made?
Chinese noodles. The process of making Chinese noodles involves mixing the dough, then it's either cut or pulled by hand into the desired shape and size. Some varieties are extruded or rolled flat before being cut. Chinese noodles can be fresh or dried for storage and convenience. Italian spaghetti is usually extruded through dies to get its round shape, then it's dried at a low temperature for a long period. This slow drying process allows spaghetti to maintain its shape and texture when cooked. Fresh homemade spaghetti, while less common than dried, is often made using a pasta machine to roll and cut the dough.
How are they cooked and served?
Chinese noodles are extremely versatile and can be served in a variety of ways. They might be part of a stir-fry, served in a soup, or served cold with a sauce. The type of sauces, vegetables, and proteins used can vary greatly based on the specific regional cuisine. Italian spaghetti is traditionally served with a variety of sauces, including marinara, bolognese, carbonara, and aglio e olio, to name just a few. It's typically cooked to an al dente texture, meaning it's firm to the bite. Whether you're a fan of Chinese noodles or Italian spaghetti, one thing is clear. Both have a rich history and are loved by many for their unique textures and versatile uses in a variety of dishes. Now, armed with your new knowledge about their differences, you're ready to appreciate your next pasta dish on an even deeper level.